are 10 hot selling products that Nigerians are buying right now. So if you want to import this product, trust me, these are products that will make you money. So ensure you watch to the very end, and please don't forget, if at any point in this video you feel you're getting value, give this video a thumbs up. I will really appreciate that. Before I go into it, let me introduce myself to our new family members. You're welcome. My name is Oni Omura, and here on this channel I create content around starting and growing an online business. I go in depth with importation business and different ways of earning sustainable income from the online space. We also do how to market and sell easily online using Facebook and Instagram ads. So if you know videos like this interest you, or you're interested in videos like this, which of course you should be, why not, go ahead and subscribe right now. Turn on your bell notification so you don't miss out on my subsequent videos, and do yourself good by scrolling down, watch my previous video. You're definitely going to get loads of values from them. So without wasting any of your time, here are 10 hot selling products that Nigerians are buying right now. I have done in-depth research, and trust me, these are products that will make you money. The first on my list is skincare and beauty products. Oh yes, it is not surprising because Nigerians love to look good. Male, female, we all love to look pink. Okay, so if you know you want to import this product, you need to take your time to do your research and ensure you're buying from suppliers that will deliver quality product to you. You know, all the skincare products, we have the turmeric soap, black soap, cinnamon soap, rice soap. You know, all those kind of black soap you see on 1688 app. People are importing them, they are selling it, and they are making money. Why? Because these products are actually working. There are soaps that are working for acne or dark spots, you know, a whole lot of beauty products. What about serums? There are different types of serums that you can import and sell. What about lotions? What about, you know, blemish care? A whole lot of them, a whole lot of products, skincare products. But my point here is this: if you know you want to import this product, right, you can actually do that, but please ensure you're sourcing from, or you're buying from, suppliers that are already in business, not newbie in business. Suppliers on 1688 that are in business for years and have good reviews, good ratings. If you don't want to import this, trust me, you can buy this from the market and sell. You can go to trade fair market where they sell skincare products, you buy and sell. These are products that you can easily market and sell online. You can market it on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook, and sell. In as much as you are able to, you know, tell people clearly the value they are going to get from that product, how to use it, how it works, people will patronize you. The second product on my list is human hair wigs original. Even if you want to sell blend, please sell quality hair blends. Okay, if you know you can import this is a good one, because if you import it, China is like their headquarters, right? Especially for hair blends, China is the headquarters. You import, you resell with good profit margin. See, these people that sell wigs, they sell with good profit margin. If you know how to source for suppliers that will give you quality, do that. You're going to make money from this business. If you don't know how to do it, you don't understand anything about hair business, you don't want to fall into the wrong hands, why not learn? Why not learn how to do it before you go into it? But this is me telling you that hair business will make you money. Most women are on low cut too, and most of them, people like me, I don't know, they don't like carrying heavy braids and all that. At least braids once in a while. Most people are on protective styling, and once they are going out, maybe for function, they just want to throw in a good quality wig and they are good to go. Okay, so this is a business that I don't think it's going off anytime soon. People are making money from it, and you can start doing that for yourself. Product number 3 is solar and power product. This particular one is hot in demand. Solar alternative. Okay, you know, people are selling power station. I have one now, just that I'm using it. There is no power in my store. There is no light currently. electricity, but I have alternatives. I have alternative that I'm making my video bright. Why? Because I have this power bank here that I'm using to power this LED panel, and this right here is a solar bulb. These two, they are all solar bulbs that I'm using to make this video. Nothing like electricity. Do you understand? So these are pro that are hot selling. How much did I buy this? 80k. 80k because I needed it urgently. If I were to import it from China, I know how much. I know I'll be getting it way cheaper. Do you understand what I'm saying? So these are products that you will sell and make money from. You will sell and make money from power stations, solar bulbs, rechargeable bulbs. There are rechargeable bulbs that when there is power, it will be charging. When power is off, it will be bright. These are products that you buy and sell. You make money. Solar lamps. These are products that you buy, you sell. Once you are able to market it properly, you will make money from it. Product number 4, rechargeable fans. I'm not talking about just the hand fans. I mean correct 16 inches standing fans that are rechargeable. Some of them have solar panels. You can charge them with direct current. You can equally charge them with their panels. These are products people are buying, especially people in Lagos. The heat in Lagos is on another level, right? Most time, even if you have inverter, some of our inverter cannot carry your AC. Rechargeable fans to the rescue. I have two in my store. Rechargeable fans to the what? To the rescue. So you can buy them and sell them. If you go on 1688, you see some of them going for 90 RMB. Convert 90 RMB. Those quality ones are sold for over 120,000 naira in Alaba International Market. 120,000 naira. So convert and see how much profit you'll be making from this product. These are things I want to see you all doing. Buying product that when you bring in, you will sell, you will make money. You say, God bless only for me. Product number 5. Maybe you're not expecting me to say this, but I'm going to mention it. Fashion products, fashion items, bags. Yes, but I'm talking about quality bags. I'll leave for you some on the screen, no, not your carbon paper bags. Quality bags. Quality sneakers. You know all these chunky sneakers, you know, trending sneakers. Once they're in trend, import it and make money at that point, then you calm down. Anyone that is trending again, papa. That's how we do importation business. So papa, you import, make money, it down, you calm down again. That is how you do it for fashion products. If you don't have money to stock up your store, if you're doing it online strictly, you can import fashion products, quality ones. You make money. See, there are quality bags that when you import, I am not even capping, you'll be able to sell them with up to 10,000 naira profits. Hope you know. Not this carbon paper bags that you are buying. When you buy, you'll be struggling to sell with 2k profit. Something you imported in Azakwa mini importer. You are answering mini importer and you're struggling to sell with 2k profit. That is not the importation that me I'm teaching you. You're struggling to sell with 2k profit. Kilo day. Wise up now. This is 2026. If you want to import fashion items, go for quality ones. There are a lot of them. Hello, you all know I have over 70 plus direct suppliers links of different products I've mentioned here. Most of them, if not all, are on that list. You're getting that list for 25,000 naira. You don't want to buy from scam sellers or people you don't trust. Only has done that work for you. I have tested that part. I have done research. I have bought from these people. I have, verified them today 100%. So you can always buy from them. We have over 70 plus links that you can buy from, manufacturers links. This you're getting for 25,000 naira. My people know. Those that have gotten it, they know they got value. If you want to buy fashion products, menswear, shoes, bags, quality ones, trust me, rechargeable fans, what is it called? Solar bulbs, solar lamps, power station, all these things I've mentioned, they are in that particular course. you're getting it for 25k. You can send a WhatsApp message to the WhatsApp number you see down here, or you click on the first link you see down in the description. Go make your payment of 25,000 naira. You get access to that course. In addition, when you get that course, you will also get a video that will show you how to place your order on 1688, how to place order from A to Z, right? And contact of shipping companies, and how to pay with your bank card. So if you want to even buy for personal use, trust me, you can. Why not? You can. Okay, so fashion items are also hot in demand. People are buying them because Nigerians love trends now. We love to look good, so tell me why not. The sixth product on my list is home and kitchen essentials. Think about your smart kitchen items or essentials: microwaves, air fryers, deep fryer, blenders, electric cooker, not the regular, the upgraded one that when you see it looking pink, right? These are products you import from 1688 and you'll be able to make money. Some of them you sell them with 20k profit, some 15k profit. I mean, what are you saying? Imagine you buy 10, just 10 as a beginner, you buy 10 of a particular product and you're selling it with 15,000 naira profit. 15,000 naira times 10 already is 150k. Won't you be happy? Your first importation, you bought just 10 and you're able to make 150k as profit. Pockets and 50k. Put the 100,000 back, buy more. This is how you make money. You save the other one, invest small again. That's how you make money as a mini importer. Before you know it, give yourself 6 months, 1 year, you see that you've been able to build your capital. You now have loads of money. You can start buying in bulk and maybe have a physical store if you want to. It's not really a thing because you can sell very well online. Do you understand me? And all of these products, they are included in a direct manufacturer's list that you're getting for 25k. Product number 7, baby products. Yeah, baby products are products that are always selling. They are always selling. There is no specific season for selling newborn and baby products. Breast pumping machine, car and children stroller, you know, all those products now, a lot of them. Kids clothes, kids clothing, their wares. You can get loads of beautiful ones on. See, I think 1688 is the headquarters for those kind of products. You will get a lot. Now you go buy, now you go tire, and these are products you make good profit from. Hope you know. These are products you make good profit from. You're buying original breast pumping machine. Don't mind me, I'm doing like this. But you get what I'm saying. You're buying original products. Abba, you make money. That's when you enjoy. See, I always tell my students though, it is not when you're buying regular that you enjoy importation. I'm sorry to say it, but when you buy correct quality rare products that are in demand, you see yourself making money fast. You see yourself. That's why I enjoy my people that are doing pre-order. They don't pre-order regular. Hardly I see somewhere that is pre-ordering and is in pre-ordering bags. They pre-order quality product that you don't see regular, but you need them. They are problem solving product. They pre-order it and you see them making money. It is your pre-order people know they make money. Just that me, I don't have the time for pre-order. Pre-order, you make money. If you know how to do pre-order, you make money from it. These are products that when you bring, you put it on your pre-order group, people will be willing to pay you. You can pre-order pre-ordering with 10k profits. What are we saying? Baby product, different types. Try them. Number 8 products on my list is phones and laptops and other gadgets. Now for gadgets, you can do kids educational tabs. There are different types. I knew when I imported, that's not my niche, but I tried importing it. Was it 3 years ago? Then RMB was even very cheap. I imported them. How much? In fact, I'm just trying to calculate roughly now to tell you that I made profit. I think I sold each of those tabs with up to 20k profit. No? I know some of you that bought it, you're like, so you made that. No. So you made that much. Why not? If not, why not? These are educational tabs that when you go to the market, you buy them for 420,000. only brought the same thing and sold it to you guys for, was it 65 or 70 then? I sold it for that cheap, but I still made money. There are suppliers that will give you quality. We have on our list though. Go get that list, send the WhatsApp message, get that 25k direct manufacturers list. You'll be glad you did. There are lots of product there. You can buy phones, but I must tell you this: if you know you don't understand phone importation business and you don't have an agent that can help you check phones, please don't go for phones. Because sometimes you buy phone, especially those of you that are buying used and refurbished phones online, that is somehow, you don't want to toy with your money. But if you know you have an agent that can help you verify those products, those phones, those gadgets, those laptops, those of you that want to start buying used laptop, I don't advise you buy it blindly online. That is why when some of you come to me and you're like, only, do you have contact of phones and laptop in your list? I tell you wholeheartedly, no, I don't have them. Why? Because even myself, if you want to buy phones and laptop, I have my agent that usually check it out for me. I don't just buy it blindly. Yes, I get the suppliers on 1688. Even my trusted supplier is on 1688. But guess what? I will not give you the contact because he might just get any used phone and sell to you. When you bring it down, you say, oh, only told me it's a trusted. No, I'm not going to do that. For phones, for gadgets, phones, laptops, used ones, please have an agent that can help you check it out before shipping it down. Do you understand? Item number 9 on my list is foldable racks. You know, all these foldable racks you see, shoe racks. I have this one here, shoe racks, foldable wardrobes. You know, all those products, they are hot in demand. The people are buying them. Why? Because they are stuff that you can carry around. Like this shoe rack I have here, I can decide to dismantle it, carry it to another state, couple it again, and it will still be in use. It's not something I need to call anybody to come do. I can dismantle myself, package it myself. They do this product with recycled materials. They are compact, you can carry them around. I'll leave a picture of what I'm talking about on the screen. So all these products are hot in demand. You can sell them with good profit. When I bought this product, how much did I even buy it? But I saw people selling it online for 180k. Was it 180? If I see the page, I'm going to screenshot the price and and just show you what I'm talking about. People are making profit though. People, many importers are making money, so don't dull yourself. The last but not the least on my list today is vacuum compressible mattresses and chairs. You know, all these compressible chairs, people are buying them. Why? It is easy to ship. It is easy to ship. You know, these mattresses that when you bring them, and these chairs that when you bring them, they are compact, they are compressed. When you now start opening it, to now start forming poof. People are buying them. It is easy to ship. They are cheap, not like cheap, but they are very affordable compared to what you get them here. So people are buying them. If you can buy from trusted sellers, you're definitely going to make money. So these are what I have for you. I know you've got some values. Please go ahead and like this video now. Like this video, subscribe to the channels if you haven't done that, and then I'll leave some videos on the screen for you, how to verify suppliers, how to go into importation. It will be on your screen. And again, don't forget, if you want to get 70 plus manufacturers links of 1688 suppliers, it is 25k. In addition, you're getting video that will show you how to place your order and make payments with your card, and we give you at least 2 shipping companies, trusted shipping companies contact that you can use to ship your goods from China down to Nigeria. 25k will get you all of this. I love you guys. See you in any of those videos on your screen.